Welcome travelers! Today I'm gonna fly from Kos in Greece to Zurich on board an Airbus A319 of Chair Airlines. You can see the local time in the top left corner. As you may have noticed, I had to wait about an hour to get inside the airport, which is very crowded. Kos airport is very small, and in my opinion too small for the high amount of passengers. Check-in was done very quick, and at this time everything seemed to be good, but it wasn't. I checked the monitors and my flight was already about 1 hour delayed. Things even got worse when the delay increased on 3 hours. Around 11:30 am the new departure time was set to 3:55 am the next morning. From now on everybody was confused, so I checked out flight radar. There was no plane coming from Switzerland. Around 1 p.m. the ground staff handed out vouchers for food and drinks, and I was surprised because they handed them out voluntary.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Around 2 p.m. all the passengers had to leave the boarding area to get their bags back. The luggage was handed out and we were assigned to buses, which then brought us to different hotels for the night. In my case it was a 5-star all-inclusive hotel in Kefalos, which was very nice. Let's see how the journey will continue. I had only 1 hour of sleep because the flight should indeed depart at 3:55 am. I searched for my plane on flight radar and yes, finally it was coming to pick us up. Then the next problem occurred. The airport had an internal server error and couldn't print out the boarding passes anymore. Every single boarding pass had to be written by hand and took an eternity. Finally, boarding started. I'm sitting on 3A and I think I would have had a nice engine view if it wasn't night. Nevertheless, I captured some nice shots during the approach in Zurich.
Meine Damen und Herren, zum Start möchten wir Sie bitten, Ihre Rückenlehne senkrecht zu stellen, Ihren Tisch zu verstauen, die Armlehne herunterzuklappen und Ihre Sonnenblende zu öffnen. Bitte schalten Sie die Sendefunktion Ihrer elektronischen Geräte aus. Zum Start und zur Landung müssen auf Anweisung der Kabinenbesatzung größere Geräte wie Laptops sicher verstaut werden. Wir möchten Sie darauf hinweisen, dass das Rauchen an Bord zu keiner Zeit gestattet ist. Vielen Dank. Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for departure, please ensure.
This Airbus A319 is a former Germania Airbus and it isn't the most modern one. The crew handed out a small snack consisting of a drink and a bread with butter. Even though I was sitting in the front, the legroom and overall space wasn't so good. It wasn't very spacious. The seat pocket in front of me contained a very interesting magazine, as well as the safety card and finally a menu card for food and beverages.
Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, wir haben 250 Flugrichtung Zürich eingeleitet, Februar Flugzeit circa noch 30 Minuten. Das aktuelle Wetter in Zürich melden zurzeit leichte Regenschauer mit der Bordtemperatur von circa 11 Grad Celsius. Ich hoffe, Sie sind Zürich wohlwohl. Ich wünsche noch recht angenehmen Sonntag. Auf Wiedersehen.
As it was very dark outside, I couldn't record that much, and we were already descending into Zurich.
Das Rauchen ist erst wieder in einer ausgewiesenen Raucherzone gestattet. Im Namen von Chair Airlines sowie der gesamten Besatzung bedanken wir uns ganz herzlich, dass Sie heute Abend unsere Gäste waren. Und wir würden uns freuen, Sie bald wieder an Bord begrüßen zu dürfen. Für weitere Informationen besuchen Sie unsere Website chair.ch. Abschließend wünschen wir Ihnen noch einen schönen Aufenthalt hier in Zürich und eine sichere Weiterreise. Und wir entschuldigen uns nochmals für die entstandene Verspätung. Alles Gute für Sie, tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.
I arrived in Zurich with a delay of 17 hours, but actually it wasn't that bad for me. I got one more day in Greece for free, and the flight with Chair Airlines was really good. The crew is very friendly and apologized for the delay, caused by a technical defect. Thank you for watching this very chaotic trip to Zurich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Rate and subscribe. See you next time in one of my next videos.